maize grains, and we are intending to produce the broken that we can mix with other grains. We have to feed our maize grains from the start here. Yeah. This is the feeding for the maize grains. Then it has to produce the broken grains, which will come out from here. This is the outlet for the broken grains, which we give the poultry to feed. So that is basically what it does. Okay? Where you feed the grass. This is purely elephant grass. Now, there's also an outlet this side of the chopped grass, which comes out from this direction here. And then here we have also another hopper. If at all we have poultry, we can also use the same machine for producing broken grains that we can give the poultry. So it is 2-in-1. In other words, it works on dairy farmers and then the poultry farmers. So the machine helps the two farmers specifically for producing animal feed and then poultry feed. It is power-driven diesel engine.
Once again, I am Iman, a technician with the NARO Uganda. Now, as previously seen in the previous clip, they have developed a challenge of mobility on how to use the motorized machine. And we had to come up with ways of making the machine mobile. And these are the features. As you see, this now has tires, has 3 tires, 2 rear tires and 1 front tire and a towing bar. So with this development, the machine is mobile. It is mobile in a way that it can now move from a homestead to another homestead, village to village, by merely towing it. I'm towing the machine. Here, if I have 2 young boys, they can help me push and we can move from village to village.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.